Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Mindful Max Hub. Today in this video, we are diving into solving previous year question paper for 10th grade maths so that you can ace your upcoming exams. Make sure you have pen and paper before starting the video so that you can solve simultaneously with me. In this paper, we have part A. Time given is 2 hours 30 minutes and the marks are 60. In this video, I am going to solve only section 1, and in my upcoming videos, I am going to solve section 2 and 3. So coming to section 1, this section contains 6 questions, and we should answer all the following questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So let's get started. Our first question is, find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 2, comma 3, minus 4, comma 7 and 2, comma minus 4. So what is centroid? Centroid of a triangle is the point at which the three medians intersect. So here we can see the centroid of the triangle in the image. The formula of centroid of a triangle is g of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So they have given the coordinates of triangle having vertices a 2 comma 3, b minus 4 comma 7, c 2 comma minus 4. By substituting the values in the centroid formula, we get x equal to 2 plus of minus 4 plus 2 divided by 3 and y is equal to 3 plus 7 plus of minus 4 divided by 3. Solving it, we get x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. And the final answer is centroid of the triangle gx comma y is equal to 0 comma 2. Coming to the second problem, find the probability of getting a vowel if a letter is chosen randomly from the word innovation. So, the formula of probability is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So, what is vowel? A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. So, the total number of letters in the word innovation are 10. The number of vowels in the word innovation are 5. So, the probability of vowel is equal to number of vowels in the word divided by total number of letters in the word. So probability of vowel is equal to 5 divided by 10, that is 1 by 2. Therefore, the probability of getting a vowel from the word innovation is 1 by 2. Third question is, express tan theta in terms of sin theta. To solve this, we have tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. And we have another formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this formula, we can write cos theta is equal to under root 1 minus sin square theta. So, tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by under root 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore, tan theta in terms of sin theta is sin theta by under root 1 minus sin square theta. Fourth question is, an observer standing at a distance of 10 meters from the foot of a tower observes its top with an angle of elevation of 60 degrees. So, draw a suitable diagram for this situation. So, assume that this is the foot of tower. An observer is standing at a distance of 10 meters from the foot of the tower, and he observes the top of the tower with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. So this is the diagram for this situation. Fifth question is, the sides of a triangle measure 2 root 2, 4 and 2 root 6 units. Is it a right angle triangle? Justify. So they have given 2 root 2, 4 and 2 root 6 are sides of a triangle. So to check if it is a right angle triangle or not, in order to know whether it is a right angle triangle or not, we need to apply Pythagorean theorem. So what is Pythagorean theorem? The square of a length of a hypotenuse is equal to the sum of length of other two sides. This, in this image we can see this is the base and this is the altitude and this is the hypotenuse. So the Pythagorean theorem indicates the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of other two sides, this one and this one. So the formula of Pythagorean theorem is h square is equal to a square plus b square. So this is the h square. So in this, h is hypotenuse, a is altitude and b is base. So using this Pythagorean theorem, we get 2 root 6 whole square is equal to 4 square plus 2 root 2 whole square. Solving this, we get 2 square into root 6 whole square is equal to 16 plus 2 square under root 2 whole square. In solving this, we get 4 into 6 is equal to 16 plus 4 into 2. Then we get 24 is equal to 16 plus 8. 24 is equal to 24. Then we can say that both LHS is equal to RHS. Then, therefore, the given triangle is right angle triangle. Sixth question is solve the quadratic equation 2 sine square theta minus 3 sine theta plus 1 is equal to 0, where theta is greater than 0 degrees or less than equal to 90 degrees. So they have given that 2 sine square theta minus 3 sine theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So let us assume x as sine theta. So substitute x in place of sine theta. We get 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solving this quadratic equation using factorization method. We need to find the factors. So we need to take the factors based on this. So if we multiply the factors, we need to get 2. And if we add the factors, we need to get minus 3. So we are splitting the middle term using this. We get 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. From this equation, taking 2x as common, we get 2x of x minus y, and taking 1 as common, we get 1 of x minus y is equal to 0. From this equation, we can write 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x equal to 1 by 2. And we can write x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So we got x equal to 1 by 2 comma 1. So sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. Here we need to substitute sine theta in place of x. So sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sine theta is equal to 1. So from this table we can see that sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. So we can write that sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2 and sine 90 is equal to 1. From this we can say that theta is 30 degrees or 90 degrees. Share your thoughts or any questions you have in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more educational content. Thank you all. Keep practicing and stay tuned for next video.